asking a restaurant host to switch to a quieter table. Good evening. Do you have a table for two?
Good evening. Yes, we do. Do you have a reservation?
No, we do not have a reservation.
That is okay. Please come with me.
Where will we sit?
Right here near the window.
This table is very close to the door.
Yes, it can be a bit noisy here.
It is too loud for me.
I am sorry to hear that.
Can we move to a different table?
Of course. What would you like?
I would like a quieter table, please.
Let me check if there is one free.
Maybe something in the corner?
Yes, there is a table in the back.
Is it quiet there?
Yes, it is much more peaceful.
That sounds great. Thank you.
Please follow me to the back.
Is this table okay for you?
Yes, this is much better.
Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome.
Can we see the menu now?
Sure, here are your menus.
What do you recommend to drink?
Our lemonade is very good.
Okay, we will take two lemonades.
I will bring them to you soon.
Take your time. We are relaxing.
Enjoy your quiet dinner.
Discussing grocery shopping list. We need to go shopping today.
Yes, the fridge is almost empty.
Let's make a list first.
Good idea. Do you have a pen?
Yes, here is a pen and paper.
Okay, what do we need to buy?
We need some milk and eggs.
How much milk should we get?
Let's get 2 cartons of milk.
And a dozen eggs, right?
Yes, exactly. What about bread?
We need a loaf of white bread.
Do we need any vegetables?
Yes, we need tomatoes and onions.
Should we buy some fruit?
Yes, let's get some apples and bananas.
Do we have enough coffee?
No, we need to buy more coffee.
Okay, I will add coffee to the list.
Don't forget the sugar.
Right, we need sugar too.
What about meat for dinner?
Let's buy some chicken breasts.
Do we need any beef?
No, we have some in the freezer.
Okay, chicken is enough then.
Do we need snacks?
Maybe some chips and cookies.
Let's try to eat healthy this week.
You are right. No cookies then.
Just some nuts for snacks?
Yes, that sounds better.
Do we need any juice?
Let's buy a bottle of orange juice.
What about water?
We have plenty of water bottles.
Okay, so no water on the list.
We also need some cheese.
What kind of cheese do you like?
I like cheddar cheese best.
Okay, cheddar cheese it is.
Do we need any pasta?
Check the cupboard, please.
We have one packet left.
That is enough for this week.
We need some olive oil too.
Yes, add that to the list.
Is there anything else?
Let's check the bathroom.
We need toilet paper.
Yes, that is very important.
Do we need soap?
No, we have enough soap.
Okay, the list looks complete.
Let's go to the supermarket now.
I will get my bag.
Do you have the loyalty card?
Yes, it is in my wallet.
Great. Let's go.
Wait, I need my shoes.
Take your time.
Okay, I am ready now.
Which car should we take?
Let's take the big one.
Good. We have a lot to buy.
I am driving.
No, I will drive today.
Okay, you can drive.
Let's check the list one more time.
Milk, eggs, bread, vegetables.
Yes, everything is on it.
We are ready to go.
Open the door, please.
Sure, let's go.
Requesting to try on clothing. Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
I really like this shirt.
It looks very nice.
Can I try it on?
Of course you can.
Where is the fitting room?
It is over there, near the mirror.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Can I try these pants too?
Sure, go ahead.
What size are these?
They are a size medium.
Do you have a large size?
Let me check for you.
Please take your time.
Yes, I found a large one.
Great. Thank you.
Here you are.
How does this look?
It fits you perfectly.
Are they too long?
No, the length is good.
I think I will take them.
That is a great choice.
Where can I pay?
The cashier is at the front.
Thanks for your help.
Have a nice day.
Discussing skin concerns with a dermatologist. Hello, doctor. I have a problem with my skin.
Hello, please sit down and tell me about it. I see. How long has this been happening?
It started about 2 weeks ago.
Do you use any new soap or cream?
Yes, I bought a new face wash last month.
Maybe you are allergic to that product.
I didn't think about that. What should I do?
Stop using it for a few days.
Okay, I will stop using it today.
Also, try to wash your face with warm water only.
Is there any medicine I can take?
Yes, I can give you a cream for the itching.
How often should I use the cream?
Use it twice a day, morning and night.
Should I avoid eating certain foods?
Try to avoid spicy food and seafood for now.
That is difficult, but I will try.
It is important for your skin to heal.
When will I see the results?
You should see some improvement in a week.
If it gets worse, should I come back?
Yes, please make another appointment if it hurts.
Okay, thank you for your help, doctor.
You are welcome. Take care of your skin.
I will. Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Asking a supervisor about job responsibilities. Good morning. Do you have a moment?
Good morning. Yes, I am free now.
I want to ask about my new role.
Sure, what do you need to know?
What are my main duties here?
You will handle customer calls.
Do I need to reply to emails too?
Yes, emails are very important.
How many calls should I take daily?
About 20 calls per day.
What if I cannot solve a problem?
You can transfer it to me.
Do I need to write reports?
Yes, a weekly report is required. Please send it every Friday afternoon.
Which software should I use?
We use the CRM system.
Can I access the files now?
Yes, I will send you the password.
Are there specific working hours?
We work from 9 to 6.
Do we have a lunch break?
Yes, 1 hour at 12 o'clock.
Can I work overtime sometimes?
Only if it is very necessary.
Who will I work with closely?
You will work with the sales team.
Do we have meetings often?
We have a meeting every Monday.
What should I wear to work?
Please wear smart casual clothes.
Is there a probation period?
Yes, it lasts for 3 months.
Will the first have training next week?
Yes, training starts on Monday.
Thank you for the information.
You are welcome. Good luck.
Deciding on technology usage limits, we use our phones too much.
I know it is a bad habit.
We should set some limits.
That sounds like a good idea.
When should we stop using them?
Maybe after dinner every night?
Okay, no phones after 8 p.m.
What about on weekends?
We can use them more on weekends.
But not in the morning.
Agreed. Let's enjoy breakfast together.
Yes, talking is better than texting.
What about TV time?
We should watch less TV too.
1 hour of TV a day is enough.
I think that is fair.
We need to focus on our work.
Social media is a big distraction.
Let's turn off notifications.
That will help us concentrate.
Can we check emails?
Only for work, not for fun.
I will try my best to follow this.
Me too. It will be hard.
We can help each other.
If I break the rule, tell me.
Same for you. No cheating.
I promise I will be honest.
Let's start today.
Okay, put your phone away now.
It is in my pocket already.
Great. Let's go for a walk.
Fresh air is better than screens.
I feel relaxed already.
Do we need a timer?
Maybe for the TV, yes.
I will set an alarm.
Don't forget to turn it off.
This is a healthy change.
I am happy we decided this.
Our eyes need a rest too.
Yes, looking at screens hurts my eyes.
We can read books instead.
I like reading before bed.
So, no phones in the bedroom?
Yes, keep them in the living room.
That will help us sleep better.
Good point. Sleep is important.
Are you ready to try?
I am ready.
Let's shake hands on it.
Deal.